There are times when I'm sat in the car waiting for the kids to come out of a club, and it's nice to watch a bit of Netflix in the car. And it's a bit awkward to get the iPad somehow onto the steering wheel. So I just came up with this idea that maybe something like that would do the trick. So it's an easy thing to make, and you can kind of see you could maybe end up 3D printing this. But I don't have a 3D printer, so I've just made this out of wood. And I could have gone for maybe some thinner bits and maybe glued them together. But this does the job. So it's kind of like an S shape, little bit of a hooked design at the top there, just to get a hook over the top like that. And then just that bit at the bottom for the tablet to rest on. And then you just pop the tablet in. And there you go. Dead simple to make. Like I say, you could 3D print a similar design and it would be maybe a bit more compact. You could maybe also do something better with the final finish. I guess you could use screws and countersink those so that that'll be a bit nicer. But as it stands, that works all right. And it certainly does the job. Didn't take too long to put together. So just a quick idea. Maybe give it a try and let me know in the comments whether you've got a better design and whether I could have done it in a different way. Anyway, thanks for watching.